What are we doing?
All right, it's our first camping trip with the camper that's over an hour away. We have done a little camping trip. This is the first trip we have since we've had AC, so we're hoping that helps out a lot too. It was very hot last night, mostly during the night. It's kind of hard to sleep when you are sweating. Don't know if y'all knew that. We got the vehicle loaded down.
There she is, though, in all her glory. And then there she is in all her glory. The other two are in those cams. You can kind of see their ears. So we'll see how this goes. We will update as we are on the drive. Literally right after that, we realized the camper windows were open, so now we're on the side of the road.
So the camper windows, you have to, they're off track, so you have to not only push it closed, but you also have to get the crank closed or it can just freely come open. So
he didn't do that.
Yeah.
He didn't do that.
The campsite, we're here at Shouse Ford. The campsite is very nice. It has most of the hookups you'd want, and then you can fill in your water tanks up actually right there. We're right at the entrance. But it was very unlevel, and let me show you my leveling situation. I have these ancient levels here, jack stand top leveling. It's not the most fun thing to sit there and do. And then I wanted to get the AC cranking. I wanted to get the dogs cooled off. And so I didn't record any of getting here and setting up. We are here, we're set up. We've got the family nice and cooled off here with our fan. We got Princess here. Let me show you kind of what we're working with on the inside here. This is a 1970 Brentwood camper. We've done quite a bit of restoring to it already. It's nice and cool in here. We've got a bathroom that we're using for storage and storage only because the people before us made it appear as though hooking up water would be very easy, but turns out there was nothing actually done for that. Yeah, let's go back out and see what Caitlin's cooking up. So before we go check on what she's got going on, I'll tell you about a little adventure we had already and why I have a drill sitting outside the door. So we found out this door just seemed to randomly lock on us and we couldn't figure out why. That locks it, that unlocks it. So when I would come outside, sometimes I would, shut the door and grab it like that and twist it. And so it would lock behind us. But thankfully, the people that had this camper before me were nice enough to only put 2 screws holding this whole glass piece off, and they didn't seal it back up. So all I had to do was just take these 2 screws off, and then I was able to reach in and just unlock the door. But yeah, so that was already a little bit of fun we've already had since we've got here. Now let's go see what Caitlin's cooking up.
Hey, don't judge us if this is salmonella driven, okay? I just don't care. I just don't care.
All right, babe, tell us a little bit about what we got going on here.
Bone-in chicken thighs, my favorite, with carrots, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. We are still quite a ways away.
What's that reading?
Oh, it's not close. Still in the 80s. It needs to at least double. So we still got quite a little way. I need to just keep her open, probably turn her up a little bit, but we'll get there.
What are some tips and tricks you've learned for grilling chicken thighs?
Oh, I know nothing. I do this thing called wing it on always. So, but I don't know. I kind of like it to be a little burnt on the sides. So I just kind of cook it till it's done. I don't know. Show her dogs. They're much more entertaining than I am. Oh, I did give Zara, my brown husky, some CBD treats to hopefully help with the fireworks situation, but so far she doesn't really care. So, shout out to Zara.
Oh yeah, if I didn't mention, this is the 4th of July weekend that we're camping on.
You want to show them the chicken? Well, actually, hey, look, if you're any food critic, just know I don't care. Just say it looks good and deal with yourself. She's got a nice I got a carrot all fried. Nice, got a nice crust, and we're just kind of waiting for the middle to all cook up.
All right, let's dig in. And after eating some delicious food, we played some games and enjoyed each other's company, and then it was off to bed for day number 2. And we got up bright and early to enjoy a beautiful sunrise as we walked around the campsite with the pups and found some cool places for them to explore.
Our Josie girl's a little reactive. Bless her heart. And she's been barked at a lot today. She deserves her little freedom. Ready? Sit. Down. Lie down. Lie down. She's like, I don't like this ground. Go around. Hey, go this way, actually.
Now it's the greatest meal of the day. Breakfast. Okay. We got golden hash browns, we got sausage, we got peppers and onions, we got maple bacon cooking. We're gonna throw all of that with some sliced hot jalapeno and habanero jack cheese. I put the bacon in front of the sausage, so then you get some of that nice maple bacon grease flowing into your sausage. It gives it that extra flavor. If that's not a wrap, then we're gonna put some of the Whataburger jalapeno ranch on there. Oh, all right. We got our wrap here. We got it nice and sauced up. Let's get a taste test. I don't know if it's the 4th of July or what, but that tastes like freedom to me. And with full stomachs, I thought it was time to enjoy some time in the hammock, but the dogs had other plans.
Help me. Zara caught a mole.
Well, we have our first murder of the trip. Zara's had a successful camping trip already. What do you think of your kill?
Ew, I would not get that close to her mouth.
Now it's time to kick back and read. Babe, what book are you reading today?
I'm either gonna read Gaslight or Winter Garden by Kristen Hanna. I haven't decided which one yet.
And I have even better reading material. Batman and Superman.
This is a dog enrichment camping hack, especially for the summer months. So Josie's already done because I probably should have prepared this a little earlier and our freezer's a little small. But basically, yeah, go with me. So basically, that is what it looks like inside. Utterly disgusting. And then you can see Zara is still licking at. But I soaked their kibble until it was soft. Usually only takes about 15 minutes. Depending on the hard kibble, it might take up to 30. Soaked their kibble, spread it on these mats or in those bowls, and then I just stuck them in the freezer for like 4 or 5 hours. And now they have a frozen treat. None of them, except for Echo, finished their breakfast this morning. So this is a nice way to get calories in, but also for them to have a nice cool treat to cool their body temperatures down and get their mind working.
Around.
You want to make her get shrimp? Speak. Speak. Sit down. Speak. Thank you. Speak.
That was fun. Now it's time to head back to the campsite.
Here we are, eating dinner. With the pups behind us taking a big nap. Echo just woke up, but overall, a big nap. Look at her. She's taking up the whole fan. big nap. My food. Here's Chandler's food. And here's Shouse's fudge. And there's Jesse's.
She said, let me have a moment.
Good morning. Good morning, princess. Are you sleeping? My poor baby. Oh, goodness.
She's really living the hard life of an AC camper. Come say hi to the people. Come say hi to the people. Oh, goodness.
We've had our fun at Shouse Ford. We've got the camper loaded back up. Everybody had a good time, especially this one. I'd say this campsite is definitely dog approved. Anyway, if you want to see more of what we do to the If you want to see more of what we do with the vintage camper and the rest of the adventures we've taken on, just, you know, subscribe, like, comment, whatever. Follow for more.